If I lost everything today, here's exactly how I would blow up Instagram again. In the last 18 months, I went from 0 followers to over 40,000 followers. I've worked with brands, celebrities, I traveled, and built a career that I used to dream about. But if I had to start from 0 right now, this is the exact blueprint I would follow. Most people fail on Instagram because they try to be everything at once. Step 1, pick one niche, not 3, not 5, 1. If you post travel, fitness, cooking, motivation, the algorithm doesn't know what you are. And honestly, neither do your viewers. Here's the truth. The creator who posts more in one niche always wins. If one creator posts 3 cooking reels a week, another creator posts 1 cooking, 1 travel, 1 fitness, the first creator dominates cooking. Consistency in one lane beats randomness in 5. Confusion kills growth. Clarity creates momentum. Too many topics confuse your audience, confuse the algorithm, and drain your creative energy. Pick the topic you enjoy the most, the one you can talk about for years, and lock in. Step 2, create a content pool. Go to Instagram search, tap your niche, scroll through reels, save anything with over 1 million views. Create a folder called content pool, fill it at least with 20 proven viral ideas. Instagram will literally feed you unlimited ideas if you train it right. Saving viral content signals to Instagram what you care about. Your explore page will start showing you more viral ideas in your niche, meaning you will never run out of inspiration again. Step 3, the best of 9 strategy. Pick 3 reels from your content pool, the ones you can recreate with your location, style, and gear. Recreate each of those 3 formats 3 times. That gives you 9 reels. This is how you test what works without burning out. Step 4, analyze your 9 reels. Look only at view count, not likes, not save, not shares. Views tell you what the algorithm wants to push. Your next 10,000 followers are hiding inside your top 3 reels. Compare your top 3 performers. What do they share? The hook, the caption, the audio, the pacing, the visuals. Find the pattern, then repeat it. Here's the whole blueprint. Pick one niche, build a content pool of proven ideas, choose 3 formats, post 3 of each, study what works, repeat the winners. This strategy works because it removes guessing and replaces it with data. It's simple, it's repeatable, and it's fast. If you are still making excuses, here's your sign to start today. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Peace.